Now, I normally don't talk about this, but I'm gonna tell you guys all the things that I hate about the US30. I hate that it's the weekend and I gotta study these charts so I can find setups for my students easily. You know, like, why can't they do this? You know? And I really hate the fact that we have a detailed trading framework where my students, they can tap into online to master the US30. Like, it's so accommodating, you know? So accommodating. So something that I really hate is the fact that we have all these market maker levels in our charts, which helps us find the biggest moves. Like, why does it gotta be this easy? It's so freaking easy, man. I really hate the fact that my students can sit back and have me send them signals through Telegram where I'm guiding them from resistance to support and support to resistance, where they can make hundreds of points every single day. I'm like, who do they think they are? Why is it that they can be lazy? You know what else that I hate? I hate the fact that a lot of my students are making hundreds of points every single week trading on my signals. Like, hundreds of points though? That's way too much. That's way too much. You know, something else that I hate, the fact that a couple years ago I decided to focus on nothing but the US30. And I done mastered the US30. Now I don't have time to be overwhelmed with all the other currency pairs. So listen, I wouldn't do it. I'm telling you, I wouldn't do it. You know, who wants to make all these points, hundreds of points every single day? Like, who wants to do that? It's way too much. All right, and then you're getting signals and insights and all this stuff through Telegram, you know, all these different alerts on your phone. Like, who wants to go through this, you know, this constant guidance in the market? Like, nobody wants to do that. All right, it's just way too easy if you think about it. But if you wanted to do it, you know, perhaps you can just try it out and see if it works for you. But I'm telling you, I don't recommend it, you know, unless you really want to do it. And if you do, reach out to me. I'll be sure to help you out.